Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and exciting tutorial on how to send emojis using shortcuts on WhatsApp for PC, thanks to the latest update. If you're looking for a faster way to express yourself in chats without reaching for your mouse, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. You can do this by clicking on the WhatsApp icon or launching it directly from your desktop. Once the app is open, navigate to the chat where you want to send emojis. Select the conversation by clicking on it. Now, here's where the magic happens. On your keyboard, press Ctrl plus Shift plus E simultaneously. This shortcut opens up the emoji selector within WhatsApp, allowing you to browse through a wide range of emojis right at your fingertips. Once the emoji panel appears, use your mouse or keyboard arrows to choose the emoji that best fits your mood or message. Whether it's a smiley face, a thumbs up, or something more creative, simply select your desired emoji. Finally, hit Enter or click on the Send button to share your chosen emoji in the chat. And that's it. You've successfully sent an emoji using shortcuts on WhatsApp for PC. This new feature is a fantastic way to enhance your messaging experience while keeping your hands on the keyboard. No more switching back and forth between mouse and keyboard. Just quick and seamless communication. Give it a try and see how easy it is to add a touch of fun to your conversations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might enjoy this handy tip.